Hey guys, hit the drop down menu in any video for a direct link to our eBay store.
Hey guys, today's unit we're highlighting is a 2018 Sportsman 850 high lifter. I'm going to start out in our eBay store, put my mobile phone in desktop mode. This will allow me to see the categories on the left hand side. Polaris ATV, and from there I can click directly on the Sportsman 850 category. This will show you all the Sportsman items we have in stock. To get more specific, you can go to the top search bar in the eBay store and you can type in exactly what you're looking for. Again, this is a Sportsman 850 high lifter, and each item is individually listed inside the eBay store. Thanks guys.